while I am still waiting to get monetized on YouTube, I look for some alternatives to still get passive income even though my YouTube is not yet monetized. So, is that really possible? Actually, yes, and I can tell you that I am earning passive income even though my YouTube channel is not yet monetized. In fact, I was able to get $450 in just one day using this method. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification there, maybe there, and comment down below as well if you like my videos or if you have other suggestions that you want me to cover. I would love to see that. And yeah, super important if you click that bell notification to notify me that you love seeing videos related to how to make money online or how to grow your YouTube channels. And yeah, things, something like that. So let's go back to the scenario. Okay, the first one that I'm gonna suggest with you is if you don't have enough followers yet, you can look for videos platform alternative, because they are paying you a decent amount of money even though your channel doesn't have enough followers yet or doesn't have enough watch time. So one of that video platform that I am currently using is Dailymotion. So Dailymotion doesn't have a requirements and you can upload videos, like I think 96 videos. Their limit is 96 videos per day, and I think that's already huge. So just make it a goal that you upload videos at least twice or thrice a week, and you can eventually use your YouTube videos and upload as well in Dailymotion. Dailymotion will still give you money, and you will still your videos will still have an ads on Dailymotion. So yeah, while you are still waiting to get monetized on YouTube, I would recommend that you sign up for Dailymotion and you enable your monetization there. Unfortunately, since Dailymotion is not a famous video platform, the earning opportunity is not quite big versus on YouTube, because you will expect like the traffic on Dailymotion is not quite high versus on YouTube. As you can see, YouTube is YouTube. I mean, a lot of people are using YouTube versus on Dailymotion. But what you can do, what I actually do is I have a videos that is introduction or a list or like a full haul about the tools that I'm currently using, and then I let my viewers to say that, hey, check out my YouTube, check out my blog version so you can see more information, and if I miss some information in my videos, there are some info that I'm going to put on my blog. So this is the second suggestion that I'm going to tell you. If you are running a B2B website, if you're running a B2B company, or you are willing to have a website, I strongly suggest that you create your own website, because you can earn money through ad display, and at the same time it can also showcase your portfolio or your brand. So you need to have your website, create a website, start blogging. So once you have like maybe 2 to 4 write-ups, you can sign up to AdSense, and yeah, there will be an approval process, but if you have like 3 to 4 valuable content, then they should approve your application. So this is the catch. Now I tell you lately that I use Dailymotion as my like I upload videos in Dailymotion as well to get money. So while I am writing my blog, maybe about tutorials, about WordPress, I embed my Dailymotion video and into my blog. So in that case, I can earn money through AdSense. At the same time, I also earn money through Dailymotion. And Dailymotion as well is really like if you optimize your Dailymotion videos, you can be easily found in search engine. So yeah, I would recommend that you have a blog and then you embed your videos, especially if your niche is about tutorials, or I mean any kind of niches can have a video version. So yeah, just use Dailymotion as your platform for your videos, and then since you are still waiting to get monetized on YouTube, you can use your YouTube as your funnel to drive traffic into your website. And it's not just YouTube. I mean, YouTube is not just your platform to drive traffic. You can use your social media platforms, and yeah, that's one thing that is one of the things that I'm currently doing, and I'm getting a decent money. And I'll show you some screenshot. Like this ad display got me 40 CPM, and I was able to get $4 for 400 views, and that is super huge already for YouTube. YouTube CPM. But as I always said, that YouTube is still a lucrative business. You still need to keep your YouTube channel you need to build your YouTube channel, because a lot of people, like, YouTube allows you to create, like, let's say for example 1 hour video or 40 minutes video, and if you have longer videos, the more ads you can get. So even though your CPM is low, but your videos is long, and a lot of people are seeing ads into your videos, then you can still get a decent amount of money using ad display. Okay, so that is my recommendation with you. And then the fourth one is, are we already in the fourth one? So yeah, I'm gonna jump in. Okay, for example, the fourth one I would recommend is use affiliate programs. So this is most of my money, like my income, are really in affiliate. So as you can see on my previous tutorials, as you can see in my previous videos, I create some tutorials related to WordPress and some Facebook and any things related to configuration. So one of my top videos that gives me a passive money is this video about how to create website under 5 minutes. And as you can see here, I use my affiliate link, which is SiteGround. And right now I was able to get $450 commission for just referring SiteGround. So basically, if you sign up to their affiliate program, you will get a commission every time someone sign up your affiliate link. And right now I've got 450 commission in SiteGround by just referring people. I did not do anything. I just set up this video, and yeah, it's already generating an income. Okay, and the other good affiliate as well, because I am a freelancer, is Transferwise. So Transferwise is a remittance company. It is powered by Skype. So let's say for example, if you are, this is perfect for those, maybe for people that are not tech savvy, or maybe you're not really good into like tutorials, like how to set up your website, something like that. Then you can look for a website that doesn't require technical thing. For example, Transferwise. Then maybe you can create a review about Transferwise, like how easy or how convenient it is to send money in different country using Transferwise. So Transferwise really pay a decent amount of money. Like every conversion you send to their platform will give is equivalent to 50 euro. So even though your client, for example, your client sent you like $50 only or $10 only, you will still get 50 euro in Transferwise by referring a customer to them. So this applies on new customers only. So let's say for example, your customer one use your affiliate to send money using Transferwise, then you will get a commission which is 50 euro. But if they already send a new payment again, like they use Transferwise for the second time, then that will not apply anymore. It only applies on the first transaction. So yeah, Transferwise so far, I always get a monthly revenue in Transferwise, normally 50 euros. The highest revenue I've got from them is 150 euro, 110 euro. So yeah, and one of the good tools as well is you can look for affiliate tools that pays you recurring income. So there's a lot of tools that offer that kind of commission program. So for example, ManyChat. So ManyChat is really famous in terms of messenger sequences. Like, so for example, if you have a Facebook fan page and you want to automate your messenger campaign, then you can use ManyChat. And ManyChat is a free tool. It's super easy for you to promote that tool because it's free. And then once your client, or once that person upgrade to a higher plan or to the paid plan, you will get a commission as long as they keep their subscription into premium. So yeah, that's really a good like at a win-win scenario for you, because you just need to build a review on that tool, or maybe a tutorial, like a walkthrough process on how to make that, how to use that tool. So yeah. And the fifth one is you can look for, this one is not, I would not really consider this as passive, because you really need to work. But while you are still waiting to get monetized on YouTube, then you can look for a brand who wants you to create like a guest post. So this applies if you have a website, but you need to have at least decent traffic on your website. So there are some brands that are willing to pay you this X amount of money if your website speaks to their target audience. So yeah, that's the thing that I'm currently doing. Actually, I just received a message lately on my fan page, and she told me if am I willing to review their software, because their software is a social media platform, and it pays a commission every time. It pays you, or it gives you a reward every time you use their platform. So actually the website is called it's called WebTalk. So WebTalk is a competitors of Facebook. So what a good thing about this website is every time you post on your newsfeed and it gains a lot of reactions and it has a lot of activity, WebTalk will provide you a reward system, and that reward can be converted into cash. So yeah, you better check that WebTalk. I really love its platform. It's super easy to use. It's kind of combination of LinkedIn at the same time, Facebook. So yeah, better to check that WebTalk thing. You can use my affiliate link there as well. So in WebTalk, you can also have your own affiliate link. So every time if someone use your link to sign up, then you will get a reward as well. And they do have also a premium plan, like similar to LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a premium plan. So if the subscriber, or if the referrer, if someone use your link and then they subscribe to a paid version, then you will get higher commission. But even though they did not subscribe to a higher commission and your newsfeed is getting high traffic, then you can get a reward in WebTalk. Actually, you can create some tutorials there, or maybe you can have a streaming videos. Then you can redirect, or you can let your visitors to visit WebTalk to see your videos, so you can get a reward. So that's a good thing about WebTalk. But I highly still encourage you to build your YouTube channel, because it gives you an opportunity, not just for ad display, it also gives you an opportunity to connect with brands. And yeah, I mean, brand partnership is more, can give you more lucrative income versus into ad display. But ad display is just giving you this kind of feeling like it's passive income, because you don't need to do it like all over again. You just need to build those videos, and even though you're not working, for example, you're not feeling well to create a videos, then you can still get money on YouTube, because there are a lot of videos that already pile into your channel. So yeah. And what else? So the other thing you can also do if you have a website is accept guest posts. So a lot of brands or even freelancers that are still looking for opportunity to grow their audience, they are willing to pay money to guest post on your website. But if your website, I mean, still don't have like a huge amount, you will expect, like, if you don't have enough huge traffic into your website, then the fee is not quite too big. So the other thing as well is selling merchant or print on demand. So one site that I would recommend maybe is Teespring. So if you have designs like maybe about anime, then you just need to to create an account there, insert your designs, and if someone order on your designs, then you will get a commission on Teespring. Not really a commission, but they have a base fee, for example, $14, and if you sell your shirts into $20, then you will get $8 for the shirt. And no, it's no risk at all, because every time there is an order, then you will just put your order on Teespring, and you just need to put your billing information there to get paid. Okay. Lastly is you can also use drop shipping, but in drop shipping you need to have at least you need to have a website at least to sell, to build your brands. So you can actually even sell products in social media, but it's still recommended to use to create a website when you want to pursue drop shipping. So basically drop shipping is there is a supplier, for example, this is your store. Okay, you have your store, and your client purchase a product from your store, and once you receive the item, then you will contact your supplier to ship your item to your client. So no physical investment involved. You will just pay your client, your supplier, every time someone's order onto your website. So if you want me to do more tutorials into dropshipping thing, let me know. I'll be happy to create a tutorial for you on that. And that's it so far. I hope these tips would help you to earn passive income, even though your YouTube is not yet monetized. But yeah, YouTube monetization is not just the major streamline to make money online. You can even sell products and services on your website and in your social media platform. You can have brand partnership, but yeah, brand partnership requires followers. But yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. It's not just YouTube, but YouTube is a good foundation to get passive income. And the big chunk as well of my income is doing freelancing jobs. So I have mainly a client that I work with her full time, and I do more into maintenance of her website and some marketing campaigns. So that's really my major income stream, like freelancing. But yeah, but I still want to build my YouTube channel as well to document the things that I love, documents the tutorials that I can provide. So yeah, I hope these tricks was able to give you some ideas on how you can still get passive income even though your YouTube channel is not yet monetized. And yeah, thank you so much guys, and have a great day.